Nice video. The second one voted me for. Okay, I love shit like that, bro. So I'm trying to help y'all niggas not make the same mistakes that I fucking made. Chat! Turn me up, chat. Turn me up. 500 views in 2 days, man. Give me to 1,000 views. I'm gonna give away 5 accounts. I'm gonna give away 5 prop firms account. Give me the 500. Oh shit. Give me 1,000 views, fam. I'm doing giveaway on 5 prop firms account. You hear me? But yeah, but let's get right into the video though. Today, I'm trading US 30, as you can see on my screen, and I'm trading gold. I rolled this blunt up, so after I catch a dub or an L, I can smoke this blunt. All you niggas wanna do is smoke. You wanna get nothing done but smoke, nigga. Smoke after you get something good done. Reward yourself with a fucking blunt after you get some shit good done, bro. Like, you fuck niggas be lazy as fuck. You niggas wanna be entrepreneurs, traders, but be fucking lazy. Don't wanna get no fucking work done, bro. Real shit, bro. How the fuck that shit work? Bro, you niggas can't be lazy, bro. When you trade, your mental game, psychology, all that shit gotta be right and on point. You feel me, bro? G shit. Nice video. The second one voted me for. Okay, with the work. That's all love, fam. Shit like that motivate me, fam. I love shit like that, bro. Like, yesterday I seen a nigga comment talking about what's my story like. A nigga talking about he from all the way from China looking at my videos. I'm like, what the fuck? From China? I just posted this shit. Niggas from all around the world see my shit. Like, that shit motivate me, bro. Real shit. Like, y'all niggas need to go up. Y'all niggas need to wake up at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Take a cold ass shower so you can wake up, bro, and trade. If you niggas want to trade, that shit easy, bro. Your mental games have to be right. Your mental games have to be right, bro. But yeah, bro, I'm straight motivating y'all niggas, bro. I don't talk like this because I hate y'all niggas. I want y'all niggas to not make the same mistakes that I made, bro. No cap. No fucking cap, chat. Turn me up, chat. Look, so today, our bias is going to be long. On gold and US 30, it's going to be long. You feel me? To this right line. And I'm going to tell y'all in a second why I'm taking long. Why I'm taking it and the reason I'm taking it. You feel me? This the daily. These liquidity sweeps have to get swept by the price, by the market. So I know price going to have to come break off these highs. It's not going to be, it's either not today or Monday. But it's going to happen. And when it happens, I'm going to make a backhand. You feel me? Just like this. Price has to come back and break these highs before breaking down these lows. I don't know when it's going to happen, but when it happens, I'm going to make a backhand. You feel me? Long story short. What if you don't see your bias? Nigga, if I don't see my bias, I ain't taking no trade, nigga. If I don't see my bias, I ain't taking no trade because I don't want to lose no money, nigga. Real shit. Rule number 1 in trading, bro. Don't force no trade. Don't overtrade. Nigga, the more you trade, the more you overtrade, the more money you lose, the more mistakes you're going to do. The more flaws you're going to have. Nigga, don't overtrade yourself. If you don't see a trade, don't force that shit, nigga. Like, it sounds easy to do, but it's hard to do. Because niggas be forcing their trades until they really be like, damn, why I took this shit, my dumb ass. Damn, what the fuck? I ain't gonna lie, chat. I'm talking too much. I'm going too crazy on you niggas. So I'm just gonna jump right into the other clip of my video of the trade. Cause I'm going too crazy, chat. But yeah, let me jump right inside this video for y'all boys. Chat, bro. I love y'all already, chat. It been only 3 days and I love y'all already, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna hold your ass, bro. No cap, bro. Come on, man. So the trade look, y'all can see it. Look on my screen. Look at the trade view on my screen. That shit playing out how we want it to play out, man. Come on, baby. Come on, chat. What's up, bro? Love Arthur of your video from LA. He tapping in from LA. This nigga tapping in from LA. What the fuck? That shit crazy, but that shit motivate me for real, man. No cap. No cap, bro. I'm finna change this shit. I'm finna change the whole game. I'm finna change this whole thing. Like, I'm finna make y'all niggas be profitable fast as fuck on my mama, bro. You niggas thinking about this? You niggas wanna do this? You niggas wanna smoke this? Put this shit down. This not making you no money. If you're not gonna reward yourself this after doing something good, don't smoke it. If you just smoking just to smoke all day, you're goofy. You gonna stay broke. You gonna be broke. You ain't gonna be no entrepreneur for real, man. No cap. Chat, stop playing with me, chat. Chat, let's turn up, chat. Let's turn this shit up, chat. Let's turn this shit up, chat. We going up, man. No cap. How long you been trading for? Guess. Guess, chat. Guess how long I've been trading for, chat. Just guess. 6. I'm gonna say 8. 8 months. But my 6th month, I was profitable. So I've been profitable. Not everything is in the market. Like, everything you need to know is not in the market. It's not Forex. It's not trading, fam. I'm gonna put you on a beat. I'm gonna give y'all a glitch. I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse the market, how to finesse the system, fam. I ain't gonna lie. Look, bro. You niggas think I'm capping. Hold on. You niggas think I'm capping and shit, Brody. Hold on, bro. Alright. Look at this shit, Brody. Look at this shit. Count this up. Count this up! Nigga! This is less than 5 months. Credit card, credit card, credit card, credit card, credit card. It big still keep on going. Look. Let me go on my other account and show y'all. This is my other account. It still keep on going. Look at this shit. Credit card, credit card. Look. This is my Top Step account. Look at all this 50, 50, 50. I can't go on my other Top Step account. It won't show me. And on my Alpha Trader, if y'all know about prop firms, this is my other prop firm account. Alpha Trader. It won't let me log in for some reason. But I spent damn near 3K on this. On Alpha Trader. 3K on this. I spent damn near 5K. 4 or 5K on Funder Pro. And I spent like a band. 1,500 on Top Step. You feel me? On Top Step, bro. I see my mistakes. I know my mistakes, and I won't cause my mistakes no more. So I'm trying to help y'all niggas not make the same mistakes that I fucking made. That I made, nigga. Look. First, one thing you gonna want to do: get your journal. Get your journalist. Get your journal. This shit gonna help. This shit gonna help 10 times, like. In like a week, you gonna see progress. I swear to God. Get a journal. Look. Get a journal so you can write everything. Everything. Right when you trade, when you wake up, why you took the trade, how you felt. Like I'm gonna make a separate video about this. I'm gonna make a separate video. Cause I gotta show y'all niggas I gotta show y'all niggas how to make chicken, how to get this cheese, how to finesse the market. You feel me? How to not smoke weed all fucking day. And be fucking lazy and reach your fucking dreams. And be the entrepreneur that you always wanted to be. I ain't gonna fucking lie. Chat! Dubs in the chat! Put dubs in the chat. Put dubs in the chat, bro. Put dubs in the chat, fam. Who caught this trade? Hold on. My shit tripping. Who caught this trade? Who caught this trade? What I told you about US 30, chat? Chat, I caught that same trade with you, bro. Good looks. What I told you, chat. Turn me up, chat. Turn me up, chat. But stop fucking playing with me, dude. Like, we do this shit. What I told you, US 30 was gonna go this morning. At like 9:30. Huh? My gold trade still playing out. I know if y'all in this gold with me, put a one in the chat. None but dubs, chat. Y'all can still enter this trade. I ain't gonna lie. Look, y'all can still enter this trade. Cause it's gonna go up into the 450 range around right here. It's still 11 o'clock yet. It's only 11:13. No cap. Look, bro. You gotta be patient. I told y'all boys, if I don't see a trade, I'm not taking it. So you gotta be patient and let the market show you the trade. Let the market show you the trade before you just join it, fam. I ain't gonna lie. What he said? I'm finna join that now. Bet, fam, bet. Bet that up. We lit though, kid. We lit. We lit. We finna see what gold giving us, bro. At 11:30, we finna see the 15-minute from the from the forum. We finna see what the 15-minute candle give us and shit. I'm gonna get back with y'all boys though.